Hey there campers, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's to come in 2026 from Sunset Park. This is going to be the Sunlite 14FB. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright campers, we're going to be outside a brand new floor plan by Sunset Park and their Sunlite line. It's going to be the 14FB. It's going to have a lot of similarities to the 149. It's going to be roughly the same length and same weight, probably right around 2,400 pounds unloaded. As I get more specs and things like that on it, I'll clarify that in the description down below. We'll take a quick walk around the outside. You're going to see there's room for two 20-pound propane tanks. You got your battery disconnect. Still going to be that 2-inch coupler. Water heater and shower up in the front corner. Dump station down here near the middle. Nice off-road tires on there. Up top, you're going to have the wind guard antenna, rooftop AC, rooftop solar, nice large pass-through storage. There's your fresh water tank and your water pump. You have access from both sides and then also on the inside. You're going to have your water hookups here in the back corner. Lots of windows in this. This nice back window. Storage for your stinky slinky. The nice solid steps. As we come in, you're going to see, like I said, a lot of similarities to the Sunray 149. You're going to have that 2-person dinette, convertible dinette here. Large 12-volt refrigerator. 2-burner stove. Sink. Your microwave with hood fan. Cabinetry above your bed. And a good sized bed. And then you go into the wet bath. I'm 5'8", 270 pounds, and I'm able to use this wet bath. It is prepped for the TV backer. Like I said, this is going to be very similar to the 149, but they open it up a bit more here in the back to give you some more space. All your controls, rooftop solar control panel. Looks like it's going to be about 2478 unloaded, probably about 16.2 in total length. And there you have it, folks. If something like this sparks your intrigue, you can get a hold of me at my email at mike@cortlandrv.com. Here's a little sneak peek of what's to come. I'll see you in the next one.